You are now watching the Prince of All Savages, Flow 201. You better subscribe or else.
Is it recording? Is it recording? What is going on, guys? It is Flow 201. Now today's video is going to be a little bit different. I want to start a series, a car series. I have a 2017 Honda Accord Sport. I've been on YouTube and I can't really find too much stuff for this car. So my car guys, if you guys have any suggestions, comment down below. But today we're going to be talking about all the interior lights, and we're going to be talking about a major problem that happens when you change the lights. And I'm going to tell you exactly the cons and pros. Yo, who do y'all see right there? That boy Vegeta's in there. First one we're going to be talking about is how to change these mirrors. It's both on the left side and the right side. As you guys can see, it's a lot brighter, but it's even better at nighttime. These are the original bulbs that they come with, and yo, this light is so damn weak. It is so damn weak. So if you click the link in the description, this is the one that you're going to get after, and this is what it looks like. This is the original bulb. And man, I'm telling you, this makes such a difference, because this has that yellow amber look, and then these have the 3 LEDs, so it's such a difference. Lights, the middle one when you open the door and the trunk are all the same bulbs, so it's definitely easy and it will fit your car. The dome light, the middle, and the trunk, it comes with these bulbs right here, and I hate this yellow look. And although you're looking at this, you probably think this wouldn't fit, which I thought also, but it does, and trust me, this is going to do a difference. And I also installed these in the back where the back license plate is, so when you're driving at nighttime, you can give that car that nice, elegant white look. Everybody should do this. This is like a quick ass mod that you can do just to make your car stand out. When it comes to the trunk problem, listen, all the sensors in all the cars and everything is in the front, but the trunk, I don't know if this is every car, but the 2017 Honda Accord has its own sensor in the trunk, and you can't get to it. You got to replace the whole entire thing. So keep in mind, when you change those lights, I haven't changed mine. Ever since I got it fixed, I have not changed the lights. They're yellow. I know it's disgusting, but I don't want to do it. I had warranty on this car, so that was like a $300 fix. So imagine that. Keep in mind, I hope you didn't do it yet, but if you do decide to do it, make sure your whole entire car is off. Don't do it while it's on. Don't keep the trunk light while it's on. And to find out if it's the sensor, close all the doors, right? Pull down your back seat, and if you see that the light is still on, even though the trunk is closed, I'm sorry to tell you, but you're gonna have to bring it back to wherever you got it, because you have to replace the sensor part. So now it's nighttime, obviously, and I'm gonna show you the power of these lights for your interior light. It is insanely bright. Keep in mind, these lights are even brighter, but you can't really tell from the camera because I have a low ISO, because I want to catch that nice HD cinematic look. But these lights are even brighter. Right now I'm running 2 of the dome lights, then I have the middle one when the door opens, and I gotta show you guys this. It's insane how bright these lights are. Like the yellow ones that the car come with, they are so ugly. Please, if you want to upgrade your car, do it with these lights. It makes your car just look very elegant. Like, yo, these lights are the bomb. I'm telling you, if you want them, I'm gonna put the link in the description. But how am I gonna tell you without actually showing you what it looks like? So you know what, yo, roll the clip. that's gonna wrap up the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, if you have any mods that I should do on the car, feel free to comment. But today was just something basic, just the interior lights. I don't want to show you guys, but you know, like I said, if you're not really a car guy and if you're still watching, I appreciate you. But if you are a car guy, man, help me out, bro. I need help. But it's your boy Jers, man. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe. You already know the vibes. It's your boy Jers, and I'm gonna go purchase some car parts, and hopefully my wife doesn't kill me.